People are just planning to stay home. And that can mean very busy grocery stores, by the way. So your reporter Brian Sherrod checking out one popular store on Colorado Boulevard. Brian, you spoke with staff and customers who say today is the best day to get the items that you do need.
And good afternoon, Brian. You're exactly right. Popular is the word because the entire parking lot is full. You're going to have to park to the very back just to find a parking spot. And I've spoken with dozens of people today who tell me that today is the perfect day to get your groceries. It's because of two reasons. One of them is because you don't want to come to the store and they run out of the item that you need because you waited to the last minute. And the other reason is if that item is out, you have to go to multiple other stores just to find what you need. And in many cases, it's just that one item. So King Soopers is making it easier for you by having a winter essential checklist on their website to prepare you. On that list, it includes bottled water and non-perishable items like canned goods. You should also get batteries for electronics like flashlights. Also get salt, scrapers, and windshield fluid, just in case you have to be in this storm. Now, a customer I spoke with tells me she's happy to be retired to avoid the storm, but she's providing tips for anyone who may be new here.
Just be smart and stay where it's not snowy and icy.
You can go.
And of course, they also say many customers are saying to grab hand warmers just in case to keep yourself warm. And Brian, I know that this is just one of many days, like you just mentioned, to prepare yourself for the snowstorm. But I want to reiterate, do not wait until the last minute to get these items. That's what staff in here is also telling us as well. Live in Denver, I'm Brian Sherrod covering Colorado First.
Lots of customers behind you as well. Brian, thank you. For the second day now, crews have set prescribed burns at the Rocky Mountain